Hello and welcome to TRS Tax Recovery Services Inc., located in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada. My name is Jerry Pensack and I'm the principal of the firm. Founded in 1994, TRS helps large companies across Canada recover overpayments in sales tax, including the Goods and Services Tax, Harmonized Sales Tax, Quebec Sales Tax, and Provincial Sales Tax in Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and British Columbia. As the firm's principal, I personally complete all reviews to ensure maximum savings are recovered and a value-added service is provided. With respect to QST compliance, today's video introduces you to the Government of Quebec Interpretation and Administrative Bulletin, TVQ 92-1R1. This bulletin explains the notion of a deposit and the time of taxation of the QST. To obtain this publication, please visit the website taxrecoveryservices.com, click the heading News and Research, and scroll down the page to select this document. Alternatively, you may obtain it by visiting the website revenuequebec.ca. I welcome you to view other videos at your convenience. If you are interested in a sales tax review, please contact me. Fees are based on 25% of savings. If no savings are found, there will not be any fees. Thank you and have a great day. Bye now.